Best easy things to do. How to make a polar bear family. For this activity, you will need the following equipment: white A4 paper, white A4 card, a black pen, a pencil, and most importantly, the polar bear template, which has a link in the description for you to print out. Step 1. Cut out the polar bear templates. Step 2. Draw the dotted lines on the other side of the templates. As you can see in the demonstration, we first fold the polar bear in half along the dotted line. Then you can use a pencil to outline the crease. You can use a ruler to make sure that the line is straight. Do this for all of the templates. Step 3. Fold and cut your card into A6 size. If you are using A4 card, first fold the card in half along the short edge to create A5. Then fold it in half by the short edge again to create A6. Step 4. Stick the smallest template polar bear down to the center of the A6 card. You can know where the center is by folding the A6 card into half again along the short edge. Step 5. Cut out the polar bear template through the card. It is important that you cut exactly how the outline of the polar bear looks. This will create an exact replica of the template onto the card. Step 6. Fold the card cut out as shown in the demonstration. It is important you fold exactly how the demonstration shows. Step 7. Fold the other A6 card by the long edge. Step 8. Stick a large polar bear template down to the center of the card. Again, you can see where the center is by folding the A6 card in half. Step 9. Cut out the polar bear and fold it as shown before. Step 10. Repeat the steps for the first 2 polar bears, again for the other 2. Step 11. Copy the drawing shown in the demonstration. You can pause the video to copy the drawing. Here is our finished product, the polar bear family. The polar bear was demonstrated by Rachel Lamb. The video created and edited by Victor Lamb. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy.